folks. So, day 2 starting on the epic road trip. We're here outside the Comfort Inn, the Outback Steakhouse in Minneapolis. So, yeah, pretty see from the vlog yesterday, it ended up a bit of a write-off, to be fair. I didn't really film a good outro. Things took a bit of a turn for the worse for me at Mount Olympus, and felt a bit queasy after all that travelling. So, yeah, got on the road early. Couldn't get up to Bay Beach in the end because it wasn't open. For some reason it was showing at 3 o'clock yesterday, so had to write Zippin' Pippin off the list. And yeah, obviously lost Hades at Mount Olympus. So today should be more productive. Off to the Mall of America now to get SpongeBob, and I can't remember, I think it's about 4 credits to get there, SpongeBob being the main one. So we're going to get on the road in a moment, and I'll check you back in when we get to the mall. Right, so we made it to the Mall of America, and we're here pretty early. Still now until the park opens, so I'm just going to grab coffee and some stuff like that. But here we are in front of Nickelodeon Universe. It's looking pretty cool, to be honest. A lot bigger than I thought it'd be. I'm not sure what I expected. Never been a big fan of sort of indoor amusement stuff before, but this is on a different scale, so yeah, pretty impressive to be fair. Looking forward to getting inside, riding a few of the rides, but like I say, we're here a bit early, so we're just going to grab some coffee somewhere. Is that part of the park or part of the mall?
I bet you can get into it.
Oh look, I think you can get down and start walking around in there anyway already.
Yeah. Those are all Legos. Oh my god. Yeah. That's amazing. I wonder how long it took them to build that. Or if there's like an inner structure
pretty massive
on that side.
Yeah, you know what? It's only going to be Legos on the outside, right? Like it's going to be like
Lego
polystyrene and then clad with legging. Not Lego? Legging? Lego. That's the word I'm looking for.
But still, yeah, that probably.
So I got some coffee. Nice iced high-rise caramel latte. Very nice. And now, walking through into the park. Nothing's open yet, but we can check it out early already. But look at this. Lego. That's massive. Oh, there's a big helicopter up there as well. That's pretty awesome. It's probably a better way of filming it from this front as well. Yeah, you can't see that. And more amateur camera work, but you know, maybe that'll improve. I doubt it. Anyway, we're inside the park having a bit of a wander around. Pretty impressive. SpongeBob over there. So you can either get an all-day wristband here, which I think, how much were the all-days if you wanted one? About 45 bucks. But we're only going to be here an hour or 2 tops, so we're going to get the just get the tokens for the coasters. So I think that's 32 bucks for a 30 tokens. So that'll do us all the coasters here.
I haven't been on one of these. This I mentioned it. Yeah, I haven't either.
Yes, this one, the intimate half-pipe type thing. Goes right up into the ceiling, so that's pretty cool. It's got the spinning, it's like is it like the skateboard thing? Yeah, it's like the skateboard with the spinning cars, so. SpongeBob's testing as well, so that's always a good sign. Yep. Alright, got a big wheel there too. This place is really cool actually, I really like this. It's cool that you don't even have to have a ticket to walk around in here either. So you can literally just come in here, ride one ride and be done if you wanted to. So, yeah, that was pretty awesome, that's pretty good. So you got the Gerstlauer, do they call it a Skyfly? I think it's the Gerstlauer Skyfly maybe. Yeah, Turtles themed, looks pretty cool. It's pretty good in here, isn't it? A big high ropes course, which I don't think we'll be going on. I'll fall my ass off that shit. There's SpongeBob, got bottom plunge, which we've seen testing, so it's literally just waiting for park to open now, so yeah. So the first ride on the day is going to be on the Fairly Odd Coaster, which is the Gerstlauer spinner here. So it's my first time on a Gerstlauer spinner. I do like a bit of spinning action. And this one, like I say, the cars are slightly different to like the Mauras and the Max. You sit facing inwards, like at each other, rather than outwards at the other car. So yeah, I've already seen it testing with someone on it, so let us in the queue now. We'll be on in the next couple of minutes, so first credit of the day.
That was more like Canobie. That was very good.
Yeah. Well, that's been just about the right amount, I think. So
That was good.
It was a good ride, that fairly old coaster. So yeah, got a pretty decent spin on it. I enjoyed that. Good first credit of the day. That one bit where we came out of the one helix and then into the other one and got the spin right into that other helix. That was pretty forceful. The only bad bit was that last corner. I was just in the wrong place with my arm up, just jammed onto the side. I always do that on spinning coasters. So. Get the in-spin half pipe, I think.
That one little airtime hill was pretty good too. I was very surprised by that.
You know what? And it absolutely flew through that mid-course as well, didn't it? Like, no trim. I was like, oh, no trim. So yeah, so we're going to get on this Intamin half pipe. It's probably not the best place to try and film it, through the tree. So yeah. Hopefully, should be pretty awesome. So we got a couple more of the credits here. We got the back at the barnyard, which is the little kids coaster, which is literally just a little oval, but that was cool. And we got the Intamin half pipe. What's it called, that half pipe? I don't even know. Airbender, yeah, Avatar Airbender. That was actually pretty damn good. I enjoyed it. It was got some nice sort of weightlessness at the top and proper sends it up there into the ceiling. So yeah, really enjoyed that. We're now getting in the line for SpongeBob, so yeah, hardly any queue for this either, so we're just gonna go on there. Yeah, we're gonna have this banged out by 10:30, I think. Might even get to Valley Fair pretty much for opening, so that'd be pretty cool. But yeah. Hiya. Got SpongeBob. It's a pretty good little Gerstlauer Eurofighter, that. It's probably the headliner in the park. Although I feeling I prefer the Intamin half pipe to that actually as an overall experience, but yeah, it's pretty good. I think I've ridden a pretty similar one. It's quite similar to Rage at Adventure Island, which is, I'm not sure the model, this is extended layout, so it's got the mid-course and a little extra bit at the end, but yeah, got really good drop. The drops on those are pretty great, aren't they?
Yeah, they are good.
Like I said, I didn't find it wasn't too shaky, it was pretty smooth, so yeah, that was good. So that's SpongeBob. And that is Rock Farm Run. Right, so that's all 5 credits. 5? What's that? 5. That's 5. I can count again. 5 credits, knocked out in 40 minutes. Can't really complain. It's a really good part. The op, to be honest, we've all said it. The ops have been fantastic, haven't they? Yeah. Really good ride ops, quick dispatches, all the rides running, multiple trains. Yep. Apart from the pipe. But yeah. Everybody was ops were good. Yeah. And people have said, like I say, maybe it's not good value for money, but 45 bucks for an all-day wristband. It's starting to fill in now. Yeah, it's starting to pick up. But yeah, I think $45 for all day. That seems like a really good deal to me. Especially since you can just come in. So for example, if you're parents, you could like bring a couple of kids here and you only have to pay for the kids. Yep. Right? Just get some shopping done, get some coffee. Yeah. But anyway. Oh, excuse me. You know what? I think a consequence of drinking that huge coffee and then doing like 5 coasters in like 40 minutes. Yes. You certainly know you've had the big coffee, right? So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for Nickelodeon Universe. Like I say, good park, good little park that. Could easily spend more time here, but onwards, because Valley Fair next. And yeah, should be there for the rest of the day before heading down towards Adventureland tomorrow. So yeah.